Hello, we're here again today for Jay's next Invisalign appointment. So he was ready for the next few sets of trays today. So what we did is we tried in the trays and they were fitting really well. So he's gonna continue moving through the next few sets of trays, which will slowly move the teeth into the position that we have planned. So we gave him a few more sets of trays today, and then we'll do another follow-up check in a few weeks to check the fit of those trays.
Okay, so continuing my dental journey with LifeSmiles and Dr. Robertson, I got my next set of trays for Invisalign and putting them in today. Of course, every time you put them in, they're pretty tough to get in the first time because everything's getting realigned and continuing to push. It was super cool at my appointment today to see the progression of the timeline from where my teeth were to where they are now, because much like everything in life, when we change something with ourselves, it's so subtle that we barely recognize it. We're like a frog in hot water. But to see it actually on the screen, super cool. It made me feel like I'm accomplishing something, even though I'm not really doing anything except putting trays in my mouth. As far as painful days, because a lot of people talk about pain from, they're worried about pain from anything to do with teeth. Zero painful days, for sure. I've had about 4, I'll say, uncomfortable days so far, where for a few hours in the day when I first put in a new tray, it's pretty tight and it feels a little uncomfortable in my mouth. But the uncomfort comes from just having it in the back of my head. It's not like it's painful. It's not like it's stopping me from doing anything or derailing my life or anything like that. It's just a little uncomfortable. But after that first initial few hours of that first day with the tray in, I don't even realize they're there. In fact, so often I don't realize I'm in my Invisalign in. I go to eat, and you can't really eat with them because they're plastic, right? So I put something in my mouth, I'm like, oh crap, that again. So as far as care, upkeep, super easy. In terms of just dealing with them in daily life, super easy. The appointments are awesome, in and out now in like 10 minutes. So I really struggle with why anybody wouldn't get Invisalign if your teeth are bothering you. Definitely something that anybody should look into. If in the back of your head you're always worried about your teeth, I'd say that this is definitely something you should do, because I feel a lot better. And I actually had somebody that I ran into that was like, oh, your smile looks so much better. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, all in all, great experience. Just 4 uncomfortable days out of the months that I've had them in my mouth, and I am looking very forward to the day when I have a smile that, knocks the ladies out.